In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for February 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of e-commerce. It's time to turn those online shopping habits into profits. Our next product is the Thermal Winter Ski Jacket. Don't let the winter chill hinder your skiing experience. The Thermal Winter Ski Jacket ensures warmth and comfort in extreme conditions with its waterproof, windproof, and breathable design. Targeted Facebook ads can reach skiing enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and winter sports enthusiasts who seek durable and versatile gear. With features like a detachable hood, multiple pockets, and adjustable cuffs, this jacket appeals to individuals seeking functionality and style on the slopes. Get yours now for an unparalleled skiing adventure. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 9.6K likes, 880 comments, 231 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Thermal Winter Ski Jacket is just under $99.99, whereas the product cost is only $48.13. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Human Body Assembly Toy. Sell the Human Body Assembly Toy for its immersive educational value. Targeted Facebook ads should reach parents, educators, homeschoolers, and STEM enthusiasts interested in hands-on learning. Highlight its accurate anatomical pieces, easy assembly, and educational benefits. Appeal to those fostering curiosity and scientific exploration in children, emphasizing its role in promoting understanding of the human body while nurturing creativity and critical thinking. Engage potential buyers by showcasing its suitability for classrooms, homeschooling, and home use, sparking a passion for science in aspiring biologists, doctors, and anatomists. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1K likes, 54 comments, 172 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Human Body Assembly Toy is just under $28.99, whereas the product cost is only $10.98. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Quack Quack Duck Dog Toy. Sell the Quack Quack Duck Dog Toy for endless fun and bonding moments with your furry friend. Targeted Facebook ads can reach dog owners of all ages, emphasizing the toy's durability, interactive squeaker, and vibrant design. Whether your pup loves fetch, tug-of-war, or simply snuggling up, this toy offers hours of entertainment and comfort. Ideal for all breeds and ages, it's a must-have addition to any dog's toy collection, promising joy and laughter for years to come. Treat your canine companion to the Quack Quack Duck Dog Toy and watch their tail wag with delight. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 14K likes, 37 comments, 95 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Quack Quack Duck Dog Toy, it's just under $26.97, whereas the product cost is only $3.02. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Mini IP Camera Wireless Wi-Fi HD 1080p Hidden Home Security Cam Night Vision. Sell the Mini IP Camera Wireless Wi-Fi HD 1080p for unparalleled home security. Target Facebook ads to tech-savvy homeowners, frequent travelers, and parents wanting to monitor their children or pets. Highlight its discreet design, wide-angle view, night vision, and remote accessibility via mobile app. Perfect for indoor/outdoor use with easy installation. Capture every moment with clarity and convenience. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 4.1K likes, 2.3K comments, 548 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Mini IP Camera Wireless Wi-Fi HD 1080p Hidden Home Security Cam Night Vision, is just under $26.11, whereas the product cost is only $2.84. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Mini Positive and Negative Screwdriver Combination Set. Sell the Mini Positive and Negative Screwdriver Combination Set for its versatility and quality. Targeted Facebook ad audience includes professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficient household tools. Highlight its ease of use, compact design, and suitability for various tasks like bike repairs, furniture assembly, and electronics fixing. Emphasize its 10 screwdriver bits, ratcheting mechanism, and durable materials for reliable performance. With excellent craftsmanship and strict quality control, assure customers of safety and peace of mind during use. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 849 likes, 5 comments, 38 share. Now we take a look at the winning store selling price for Mini Positive and Negative Screwdriver Combination Set is just under $32.99, whereas the product cost is only $5.89. So you're looking at a good profit margin.